Windshield wipers is one of my favorite bow hold exercises. It really works the muscles in your fingers and it's kind of fun. So let's start with a good bow hold. I'm doing a violin viola bow hold, so if you're a cellist or a bassist, make sure you adjust your bow hold appropriately. I'm going to start with my bow parallel to the floor, and I'm only holding it with my right hand with my bow hold. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my wrist and I'm slowly going to rotate until my bow is going parallel to the floor but pointing in the other direction. Make sure to stop your bow when you've reached this level. You don't want to have it going down pointing towards the floor. Once you get here, slowly twist it back forward. Now as you do this, slow is best. So start nice and slow. You may even want to go a little bit slower than I'm going right now, and that's okay. So start nice and slow, and as you do this, when you have your bow pointing to the left, you're going to feel a different sensation in your fingers than when your bow is pointing to the right. So if you're doing this correctly and you've got a good bow hold set up the whole time, when your bow is pointing to the left, you're going to feel a lot of the weight of the bow being controlled with your pinky. That if you were to kind of let go of that pinky, your bow would probably lose its position. When you're pointing it in the other direction, you'll often feel that the weight shifts to your first finger. So while you're doing this and you're starting it nice and slow, feel for that shift in the weight of your hand and your fingers. Now, once you feel pretty comfortable with this and you're going nice and slow and you're checking that bow hold, especially thumbs like to bend on this one in the wrong direction, you can start to go just a little bit faster. Now, I know it's really fun to wave your bow super fast and see how fast you can do this, but that's actually going to hurt your hand just a little bit. So don't go too crazy fast, but you can improve your speed and increase it just a little bit. But remember, your main focus here is not so much the speed as it is getting the motion with keeping an excellent bow hold. And that's how you do the windshield wipers.